Good afternoon, everyone. Today's lesson is going to be on the Pythagorean Theorem. And the Pythagorean Theorem is you call it a formula, but it's a way to, you can call it a formula. It's a way to figure out the missing side of a triangle. Let's say you have a triangle here. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And you want to find out, let's say A is going to be 3, B is 4, and you want to find out what C is. Well, there's a strategy here, and this is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I'm going to slide this down a little bit so we still see our problem. All right, so basically, here's how we solve it. A squared, in this case, 3 is A, so it's going to be 3 squared plus, what's our B squared? Our B is 4, so it's going to be plus 4 squared is equal to our missing C squared. What's 3 squared? 3 times 3, 9, plus 4 times 4, 16 is equal to C squared. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 is equal to C squared. And then what you end up doing, I'm going to move this right here. So 25 is equal to C squared. You basically square root the 25, and that will leave you with C is equal to 5, because that's the square root of 25. So this is called the Pythagorean theorem, and it's A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. This is how you find the missing side of a triangle. Now, here's another example. Let's say you have the C. So let's say they give you that's equal to 13, and they give you one side which is equal to 3, and then they say find B. You do the same thing. The only difference is, since you have the C, you put in the C as part of the formula. So A squared, 3 squared, plus B squared, because we don't have that, is equal to 13 squared. 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, plus B squared is equal to 13 squared, which is 169. Now watch what we do. Let me move this down. Okay, so we subtract 9 from this side. This goes back to our solving equations. 9's cancel out. B squared is equal to 160. And then we simply find the square root of B squared. And you can get that on your calculator. If it's not an equal root, put that in your calculator and you will get a decimal. And the answer is 12.6. So this is called the Pythagorean theorem. This is how you find the missing side of a triangle. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. I will upload this on Google Classroom, and you'll be able to do some of the practice questions.